Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Iran nuclear agreement is fundamental to the national security of the United States, and I applaud the tremendous efforts of Secretary Kerry and Secretary Mosey, who worked in concert with the world's most powerful military economic nations to reach a verifiable agreement that will deny Iran the ability to develop a nuclear weapon. In past eras, when politics was civil and foreign policy was bipartisan, this diplomatic agreement would have been championed by Republicans and Democrats as a non-proliferation triumph, as it is today in Great Britain, our greatest ally. This agreement will prevent Iran from developing a nuclear weapon. As an Israeli intelligence analyst said, and I quote, "This is not about trust or goodwill between sides. It is strict inspection and verification regimes that will ensure the success of this agreement. And if Iran violates the agreement, sanctions will snap back and the international community together will take action." I strongly support this agreement, and I'm grateful for President Obama's unwavering leadership in the face of hostile and unprecedented attacks from Republicans and Israel's Prime Minister. The New York Times calls the Republican efforts, quote, "a vicious battle against Mr. Obama and an unseemly spectacle of lawmakers siding with a foreign leader against their own commander-in-chief." I want to be crystal clear. I support our commander-in-chief. The Republicans and Israeli opponents of this agreement are the same neocons who sold the war in Iraq to America based on lies, distortions, and misinformation. And now what do the Republicans offer as an alternative? Nothing. They have no plan other than to kill this agreement, which means that Iran will either obtain a nuclear weapon or the U.S. goes to war to stop them. Well, let me tell you, I am not interested in another Republican war in the Middle East. Now is the time to put the national security of the American people first. Let's reject this Republican game playing and support a tough diplomatic agreement that will stop Iran from gaining a nuclear weapon. And I yield back.